Hello everybody, welcome to day 4 of Waxvent.
Once we get past day 10, we're going to have a joint effort then.
Get our toes out. So there's just one patient in this video and it's all Rhys.
It's all me. So I forgot they jingle a bit, these, don't they?
Oh yeah, they do, yeah. Sorry if you stop moving our head.
Yeah, we'll go really still. So I put this one as like massive wax removal, and what we've got here, this is almost like a thick paste, this type of wax. It's not quite the clay, it's the kind of precursor before they get the clay type wax. It's just a little bit softer, almost like a very, very thick paste that comes through. So, I know. It doesn't work very well with suction because it just blocks the tube just constantly. So I'm using a bit of curettage here to pull this out. Sometimes you're lucky and there'll be a deeper, harder section further back.
Similar to what we'll sometimes see with like eczema and psoriasis.
Yeah, true actually. So just going through. It's got a kind of almost like a crumbly texture with these deeper pieces, these older pieces of wax. You can see just how much humidity there is in that canal as well. Look at that.
So you almost need a tiny little suction tube on the top of the manual tool to get rid of all the
just a little humidity. Bit of moisture. Yeah, there you go. It's one for somebody to think about at some point. Yeah,
trademark on that. Trademark.
Yeah, I don't know, earlier, didn't we? We had to check to see if there was a perforated eardrum. We were like, it's just too humid.
Yeah,
pop
just
the
suction tube.
Take the humidity out. Oh, where's that bit? Oh, it's stuck on the back of the right curette. That's what it was. I couldn't work out. I was still in view.
I couldn't wait to get out of it.
Now we've hit the harder stuff. So this is, we talk about that clay wax, you get this paste and then you get this more dried out version where it's thicker, much thicker plugs. This is the rye hook here.
Oh, that's gone in quite nicely there.
Yeah.
Very typical.
I thought, I might just have enough consistency to it to pull this through, but that side worked quite well.
Yeah.
You see that thick underlayer of dry skin there.
Drop it in the pocket.
We've done that a couple of times recently as well. Oh, look at that though. Look at that layer of skin. We talk about this sort of white skin that you get that goes almost like a rubbery consistency underneath some of the wax. Almost thing. This is that skin. You can see it there where it hasn't detached off the canal wall. So very dry underneath. So you wouldn't have imagined that wax would have a bit of clarinet in the looks of it. You wouldn't have imagined that wax would have gone that kind of paste consistency with this underneath. You would imagine it would be a lot drier. But in this one, it really has. Oh, look at that peel! You can see the dryness. We talk about those little lifts of skin we see in dry canals. Was it all like what's the name of it for you? White horses when you see it on waves. We just got that little white break at the top. It almost looks like that. Jingled so well. I know. I definitely use that. I'll definitely use the antlers for the next one.
No, I won't do that.
Good job. This video is only 18 minutes long, isn't it?
Oh, that's a good job, yeah. Stay really still there.
Yeah, just get this last little bit of dry skin out here.
Oh, that's come away nice.
That came away much better than I thought it would. I've got to be honest. Yeah, it's
Same again
on this one, isn't it? It's
Same again.
Just I'm dropping back to see if there's any gap above the top I can use, and. This is a lot drier. Look at the consistency now. Very solid wax, this one. So rye hook going in here.
That's like the opposite, isn't it?
Yeah, it's almost completely opposite. Now this is what I would have expected it to look like with that really dry skin from the other canal. This really kind of dry material. But I think it's, you can see it was kind of getting the grip, but then it just pulled straight through.
Well, it's moving a little bit when you try and get over the top of it.
Isn't it?
Oh, there we are. Make a bit of space.
Yeah.
Chip away.
Going again. That's the nice thing about the right curette. You've got that. It's not a point, but it's almost like an elongated oval, so it doesn't come to a point where it just thins a little bit at the end. It's just enough just to dig into it a little bit.
Yeah, they're really handy in these. Neil's done a good job at designing those, to be fair.
As in fairness. Can we get this next? Not quite. we go. And that comes. So turn upside down, using it the opposite way to the way it's sort of intended to be used now, because I want to try and see if I can lift the bottom section of the wax off the canal, detach it from some of that dry skin. It's just not going anywhere though.
Because you sometimes see it. We get, you know, a lot of patients obviously coming through. Some patients only prefer to use oil in one side as well, so that's always a possibility, is that the patient hasn't actually used any oil in this side, but just on the other side.
I had somebody the other day and they were like, oh no, I don't like to use the oil because I did it for a day and I felt really blocked up, and I was going, yeah, that's kind of the norm. You know, and it does, the first day is usually the worst one, because if you've got any slight gaps, the oil will fill them, so you will feel a bit worse on the first day, but then it starts to soften, so the more you use it, the better it sounds.
Yeah.
It's
literally just, you can see it just
up through the middle. It's like, you know, you
like a cheese grater.
Remember that Play-Doh thing you had, like Play-Doh hairdressers and stuff? You push like a pump, it would all kind of go out like this, a bit like that.
Like those press videos you see, and they do like marshmallows in the middle, and they just go.
So it's something quite satisfying. I found myself, I kind of stumbled across, you know, those videos where there's people like, they're like cutting kinetic sand.
Oh yeah.
There's something quite nice about that. I don't know what it is about it, but there's something just quite relaxing about watching that.
Is that like ASMR? Is that what they call it?
That's what it is. Yeah.
The sensory kind of.
Yeah. They do lots of earwax ASMR role play.
Oh, is it? Oh no.
It is the weirdest thing
I can imagine.
I know. Because you get this person, they're usually in like a white coat, and they're talking like really, really close to the and there's lots of like, they're making the weird like clicking noises and stuff, and it, you know, and there was one on there, they were like taking a history and everything, and you know, you could do the pen scratch, and I was like, that's not relevant. That's not relevant there. That's not going to. You don't need to know that before you do wax removal, to critiquing it from a clinical point of view. There was one guy, and he had like a big tube, and it was almost filled with plasticine, with like giant crystals in it, and it was all, the camera was on the other side, so it looked like you were looking down an ear canal, and he was like plucking these giant crystals out of this plasticine. Oh God. And I was like, what are you doing?
What is this?
But yeah. But you know, it was one of those things where you just have to kind of keep watching it. Yeah,
it's like, it's really strange, but I can't stop watching it.
Yeah, it's like those flies. Don't go to the light,
Yeah. And those blue ones in the butchers, and they just.
Oh, I always saw the other day, they've developed this thing. It's like I don't know if it's a Chinese thing or a Japanese thing. It's one of the, I can't quite remember. It was in that part of the world anyway. And they've invented this like laser mosquito killer. Have you seen that thing?
I've seen it.
Oh my word! It's like a turret that comes right. So like it has like a laser on it. So it scans like the area. If it detects there's like a mosquito, it like zooms in it, and then so you see is like it's just this mosquito go. There's like so many.
It's like like on a warship, they got the tracker for the planes.
I saw another one that was a bit more full on, and that was one you have over by your car, and it's like a turret, and if it detects there's someone sort of like around your car, literally this kind of barrel comes out the bottom of it like that, and it fires
like paint or something.
No, it's like a dart thing. Well, it's not a dart, it's like a ball, but it's filled with, it's like
tranquilizer.
We're giving them people laying next to your car and moving them out the way. It was like I don't know, it was like a pepper filled.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh my word! And then I was watching. And it's an automated turret as well. You just press activate it on your phone, and then it's just scanning and shooting pellets to people.
Be good for your garden, if you've got a big garden and you need it a bit of security.
Well, yeah. I don't think I trust Mrs. B with that. It's imagine pulling up on the drive.
Activate it when you were coming home or something.
Can you imagine? I know she'd kill herself laughing as well with that.
Yeah, probably would, yeah.
It'd be a perfect, like we used to see in the old films, a perfect outline of you on a wall. Splatters all around you, yeah.
Oh, this is a tricky one.
Yeah, you got this really like super deep section now. And it is just skin.
Oh, it's dry as well.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Bone dry.
I can feel a bit of olive oil coming on there.
Yeah, I was going to say a little bit at the bottom. I think once that comes up, I can see that should start moving a little bit.
Well, guys, I hope you're enjoying Waxvent so far. Sorry,
I was just going
to say, hope you're enjoying Waxvent so far. If you are, let us know in the comment section below. We've got lots more videos coming your way. They're not all quite as long as these first couple of days worth. There are some shorter ones in there as well, but I think they're at least 10 minutes long every single day.
We're not going to wear these again either.
We're not going to wear these again because it's so off-putting. Yes, so what I would do is, if you do want to see more of these videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe is the most important thing. So if you got those, you'll get a notification every single day that we post a new video. So make sure that you're subscribed.
Jingling away.
Well. I know. I'm sure we had these. I'm sure we had these last year.
I think we did. Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So let's see if we can just peel this one. Oh, there we go. We're starting to get that little bit of a peel.
Because that's where the ogle start again underneath now.
Yeah. And that's the section here where you were saying right at the bottom. That section there needs to come up, doesn't it?
Lift.
Yeah. God, that is like solid, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like you've seen it on some of those. I can't remember what his name is. Dr. Zhao, is it or something? He has those like little flat, like little, like flexible almost, like scoopers. I could have done with that there, couldn't we?
Yeah.
They must be under anaesthetic to do that though.
I think he's an ENT consultant, which is why I think you see a lot more. Because Oh yeah, it was 2 visits. I was going to say,
so what's going on?
So 2 inches there, or just over 2 inches.
5.5 centimetres.
So that's visit 1. So this last bit, I did ask the patient, do I let it come back in? Because it was just bone dry and it wasn't going anywhere.
Changing consistency.
I know, just that little bit of oil now. We're just going to, wow, I think looking at that, see the bubbles?
Yeah, that looks more aggressive, that does.
That's a bicarb or an Otex, I think, gone in there. Now you've got the opposite problem now, is because you've lost a lot of your markers now because everything's covered in soft wax, so it becomes a little bit more difficult to remove because normally we don't want to plow into the canal walls at any point, so you follow the general sort of direction and shape of the canal as you're taking the wax out.
Yeah. Oh, there we are. You've already got more out than you did.
I know, yeah.
in that deeper section anyway.
Yeah. And there we go. There's the eardrum now. Great. So now we can lift this base section up. It's that skin there, like you see.
Yeah.
I had somebody come in the other day. It was a kind of a follow-up for us from another provider. And they've been advised, you need to use, peroxide based drops, bicarb based drops, and they've been using that for ages, and it was all skin, and I was going, actually you're just making the problem worse by using the bicarb and the peroxide. It's not going to help. We've got this ring, we can see that central cores come out, but now we've got this ring, this thick ring of dead skin. It's
one of those faffy ones, isn't there, where you're just like, oh, come on.
I just want the whole thing to come out.
Oh,
there we go. That's quite nice. Little lift there. It's one of these ones that, as you're bringing it out, keeps breaking, and you've got to get to the next bit, and the back bit breaks off, and you've got to keep getting further and further back.
I was just going to say, get the forceps on that a little bit there now. Oh, there you go.
Big gutting right there. I really wanted that whole top section to come with it then as well.
But it was going to start peeling down the ear canal.
You can still see that thick underlayer of skin there as well, can't you?
Ooh.
Oh. Well, that's a nicer bit, especially if this bottom section peels as well. Yeah, well, that's part of the top section gone.
So you can see the difference, like the oil and the bicarb drops will, you know, will make that. This is kind of what we expect with the more aggressive type of drops, like the sodium bicarbonate or the hydrogen peroxide. It just tends to kind of melt the wax, but then you get this again. You get the skin then underneath, which is
that really dry skin layer, don't you? I'm trying to bunch it on both sides, so I'm trying to grab both ends and pull them at the same time, and I'm hoping they're going to meet in the middle. Yeah, it almost, you get this sometimes almost with, it looks like it does when somebody's used Optimize.
Oh yeah,
which you can't get anymore now, which I'm a bit gutted about, because it was Optimize was a really, really good treatment for things like otitis externa and stuff like that. They just don't make it anymore, unfortunately. There's alternatives out there, but I've had some patient feedback, and they say they don't, you know, regular users of Optimizer find they're not quite as good.
It's a shame, really.
Look how far back that stretches.
Oh, they're starting to peel, or starting to tear away at the back there. Yeah. Here it comes. Next one, now that's gonna start coming.
I'm trying to detach the whole thing. Look at it go, man.
You can see it trying to sit back down into its normal position.
I'm like, don't go back where you were.
Forceps.
Forceps in there. I surprised myself as well. I thought we were going to go forceps then. Was as big as all in the tube.
Yeah.
Standard size.
Going for the better grip.
Yeah. Really bunching everything in there.
Oh, here it comes. Oof.
Yeah.
Nice.
That was still a fair chunk of skin in there, wasn't it?
Mm.
You see me looking and going, there can't be anything else left, surely.
Surely not.
But this, I mean, you can see just how full this canal would have been originally. It was just absolutely chock-a-block in here. My advice to this patient would definitely be oil. Definitely use some oil. You can see how everything is still stuck on these tiny little bits of dry skin.
No, they're really difficult to get to as well, because again, it's so sensitive in those areas. You know, you can't put too much pressure.
Yeah.
You can put a tiny little bit, but you know, we wouldn't really advise it.
No.
No.
Okay, I'm just going to try and lift this piece, and I was like, oh no, don't peel all the way down. Is it going to go? You can see I'm trying not to let it clarinet. I'm trying to bunch as much of it in. Yeah, it's obviously starting to clarinet there, so I can't do a lot left with that one. Yeah,
it's difficult because there's literally nothing you can do with the clarinet, and as you said, that clarinet is like
close to the drum.
It's the clarinet, and it's like the horrible, shrill kind of like whistling noise you hear. 2 centimeters.
7/8 of an inch, and that was the second visit. I was on top of the whatever it was on the first 5.5 centimeters, or whatever it was on the first visit. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our day 4 of Waxvent.
I almost put 2 hands at that.
Too excited. Day 4 of Waxvent. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did voicing it over. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, like, heart, share, follow, subscribe for me, fantastic. And if you want to become members, you can. You get more videos that way. But until day 5 of Waxvent, guys, me and Taylor will see you again soon. And as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you for day 5. Almost day 4, 5. Bye.